Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna to pay for your StockX purchase in a few easy steps. First, open the Klarna app on your phone and log in, or create an account if you don't have one yet. Next, tap on Create One-Time Card and enter the full amount of your StockX order. Don't forget to include shipping and taxes. Once the card is created, Klarna will give you a set of virtual card details just like a regular Visa card. Now, go to StockX and add the item you want to your cart. At checkout, choose to add a new payment method and enter the Klarna card details. Complete your order and Klarna will split your payments based on the plan you selected. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, you might also see Klarna as an option directly through Apple Pay during checkout. Just select it if available for an even faster process. And that's it. That's how to use Klarna on StockX. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.